Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 14 Exercise 4.2 solution. This is our last chapter and last exercise. Okay, after that the 6th class is totally completed. Okay, so if you want all these videos, so playlist is already there. You can go and check out from our playlist. Otherwise, in description there's a link, you can check out from there. Okay, so this exercise is there, and if you have any kinds of doubt related to this exercise, so don't worry, I make this exercise very easy for you. Nothing in this. Let's just start here. So this is telling that examines whether the flowings are polygons or not. So first question will come in your mind, sir, what is the mean by polygons? Right? What is the mean by polygons? So simple. Polygons are a closed figure. First things you have to remember, polygons are closed figure. First, polygons are closed figure. Second, polygons have lines. Polygons have line segments. Remember, two things remember. What is polygon? Polygon have a closed figure and polygon is a line segment. Let me tell you. Like this is a polygon. Yes, it is polygon. Why? Because this first, let's see, it is a closed figure. Yes, it is a closed figure. Okay, now see, it is a line segment. Yes, this is a one line segment, 2 3 4. So you will say, sir, what is the mean by line segment? Line segment means what? A line is there which have fixed value. Okay, this is a 2 centimeter na, so it will be 2 centimeter only. It cannot extend. It cannot extend in this direction. It cannot extend in this direction. It cannot extend. Its value is fixed. If it is 2 centimeter, it will be 2 centimeter. If it is 5 centimeter, it will be 5 centimeter only. So that is the only line segments. Okay na. So how many line segments are here? It have line segments. Yes, these are the line segments. So it is a polygons. Let me tell you, this circle, is it a closed figure? Yes, it is a closed figure. It is a line segment? No, it doesn't have line segment. Line segments are like that, a straight line. Is it a line segment? No, it's not. Okay na. Like another example I will tell you. Okay, so this is our polygons. Let's check, is it a closed figure? No, it's not closed figure. If it is not closed only, then how it will be the polygon? So it's also not polygon. Okay, so remember, for the polygons, a figure have to be closed and it have to be line segments. Okay, that is the only polygons. So now let's come to the here. Is it telling this first figure is a polygon? Let's see, is it a closed figure? No, it's not a closed figure. If it is not closed figure, here if you see, this is open. This is open. If it is like that, then you can say it's a polygon, but it is open here. So what we can say, this is a not a closed, this is a not a polygon. So what we are going to write, we write not polygon, not polygon. Okay, now this is not polygons. Why it is not polygons? Because here I will write, because polygons is closed figure. Because polygons are closed figure. Polygons are closed figure. Okay na, polygons are closed figure. That's why. Okay na. And made by a straight line, and made by a straight line. This is, you can say, straight line or line segment. Okay na. A straight line means like that. This is the called a straight line, not like this. This is not a line. Okay, this is not line. If some figure is like that, so it is not, it is closed. But is it, line segments are there, it's particular line. The straight line is there. No, it's not line, so it's not. Okay, now you can say straight line or line segment or a straight line, you can say. Okay na, a straight line. Okay, now, so now let's see the second figure. Second figure have closed surface. Yes, it is closed. It have a straight line, or you can say line segment. Yes, it is. So this is polygon. So this is polygon. This, what we can write, you can write polygons. Okay, now generally this is ONS. Okay, now remember, this is GONS. Okay, now this is a closed figure. Yes, it is closed figure. Is it a straight line or line segments are there? A straight line or line segment, both are same. Is it a straight line? No, there is no straight line. So this is not a polygon. So this is not polygon. This is not polygon. So what we are going to write? Not polygon. We are going to write not polygon. Okay, now I will erase it. Okay, now I will erase this. Otherwise I will move this one from this side to another side. Okay, this is, I will erase it only. Okay now, this is not polygon because because no, see the above answer and okay, right, because it is circle, because it does not have a straight line, okay na, right. So is it clear to you? Right, so I hope is it clear to you? Okay, right. So now let's talk about this second one. So what this second question telling that count all the sides of the polygons and give the name of this. Okay now, so polygons generally I hope you know, if it have three sides, that is called triangle, okay na. Triangle is made by three line segments, 1 2 3, that's why it's called triangle. You know about the quadratic means it is made with the 4 line segments, 1 2 3 4, and which is made by 5 line segments, that is called pentagon, which is made by 6 line segment, that is called hexagon, which is hexagon, heptagon, and which is made by 8, it is called octagon, nonagon, decagon. I hope you know. So generally know that polygons are like that: triangle, quadratic, like that. If it is 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, and 8 sides, and 9 sides, it's called like that. It's called triangle, quadratic, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and that's called decagon. Okay now remember, if a triangle have if any figure have 3 sides, 3 line straight line, that is called triangle, 4 quadratic, 5 pentagon, 6 hexagon, 7 heptagon, 8 octagon, okay na, 9 nonagon, and 10 decagon. Okay, don't think it is Bengali language. Okay, it's not a Bengali, it's a mathematics language. Okay na, triangle, quadratic, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay na, like Bengali octachi, like something they talk. Okay na, it's so don't go in that. Okay, right. How many line segments there? Count 1 2 3 4 5 line segments are there. So how many line segments? 5 lines are there. 5 lines are there. It means that it is a pentagon. It is our pentagon. So right, PE. Okay, now this is PEN. This is looking like PENTA. Okay, now I will write here AGON. This is pentagon. How many line segments? Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 8 line segments. In this one, how many? 8 lines are there. So this is octagon. This is called octagon. This is octagon. 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 Okay. Now in this one, let's count. How many lines? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are there. How many? 6. In this one, how many lines are there? 6 lines there. It means that it is a hexagon. It is hexagon. This is X. Okay, now just wait a minute. I will write it again. HEXAGON, hexagon. Okay, now in this one, how many angles? How many line segments? 3. It have 3 lines. It means that it is our triangle. This is our triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Okay, spelling is something, I write something fast, that's why. So I will write a spelling triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. This is I. Okay na, right. Is it clear? So second one is also clear. So let's talk about this fourth one. Identify the regular polygons among of the figures. Okay, now which is regular polygon we have to find in this. So generally, how we can find the regular polygons? Regular polygons means what? Which all sides are equal. Okay now, so if you see, this all are the regular polygons only. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so in this question, what will happen if you see this figure? Okay, now just wait a minute. I will try to drink water. Okay now, okay. This is a very simple question, don't worry about it. Okay, this is talking about the regular what is it? Okay, it's talking about the regular polygons. Okay, right. So let me drink water. Okay, so right, so let's talk about this. So which is regular polygons, we have to tell about it. So this is a regular polygons means all sides are equal, like this, this all sides are equal, so this is regular polygon. So this is regular. Okay, now I will take this one. So this is a regular polygon, this is a regular polygon, this is regular polygon, this is regular polygon. Okay, now this is parallelogram, this is parallel, this side are equal. Okay, but this and these sides are not equal, so this is not polygon, this is not polygon. Okay, now this is not polygon. Now come to the third one. This is pentagon. 1 2 3 4 5 sides. This is a pentagon. Is it polygon? No. Is it polygon but not regular polygon? In regular polygon, this is equal, this is equal, this is equal, but this all sides have to be equal. Okay, so that's not going to be. Okay, this is also not. This is a hexagon. This is regular polygon. Yes. Why? Because what is the size of this? It's same size here, same size here, same size here, same size. It's all sides are equal, but here this is a something longer, but this and this is looking so like a small, that's why. So is it a regular polygon? Why? Because it's all sides are equal. Whenever a figure have all sides equal, that is called the regular polygons. Regular polygons, all sides are equal, all sides equal, that is the only regular polygon. So this is regular, this is not regular, because this side same, but this is become a smaller, that's why. Here this side same, this side same, but this sides become something different, that's why. Here this is regular, so I will write here this is a regular polygon, this is the regular polygon. Okay, now here if you see this side is okay, this is a triangle equilateral it is. Okay, now this side okay, so if you, this is a fifth figure, this side is okay, this side is okay, this side is okay, but if you see in this figure what will happen, this side are equal, but this is not equal, so this is also not our regular polygon, but this is a regular polygon. But because this and this all sides are equal, all sides are equal, so this is our regular polygon, this is also a regular polygon. Okay, so I hope in this one, this is a square and this one, and that's the square, and this regular hexagon and equilateral triangle, this is the only in this one which are polygons. Here I will write regular polygon. Regular polygons means which is only regular polygons here, only this is a square, this one is square, and this is how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides. So this is how, what is it? It is total called as the hexagon. Hexagon have also, hexagon is also regular polygon. In this one, this is triangle, this is called equilateral triangle, this is called, all sides are equal, and that's it is called as the equilateral triangle. Okay, now this is called equilateral triangle. Okay, that's why I hope this going to be clear to you. I hope this video is going to be clear, and this exercise is ended here only. Whatever in this exercise, everything I told you. Okay, so if you have any kinds of doubt, you can tell to me. And this class 6 mathematics series is totally completed. I from the chapter 1 to this chapter 14, I explained each and every exercise. I didn't leave any exercise. I explained each and every exercise here. Okay, so if you want the playlist, in the description there is a link, you can check out, otherwise in the playlist you will check out. Okay, so let's see you in the meet in the 7th class. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be helpful. Okay, so see you in the 7th class. Jai Hind.